You're not listening! Your fate's what you want it to be! No one else gets to decide what you are! My father taught that to me! If fate comes at you swinging, then you hit back! Naja! Release us! I know you want to help, but this is my fight.
Naja! No!
You know, looking back on it, 3 years isn't that long. I had fun while it lasted. My only regret? I never kicked the Jihamzi with you, Dad. It's my birthday! No crying aloud! Oh, man.